Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KaratDAO token. Ticker symbol is KAT, K-A-T. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says the KaratDAO token is being listed August 22nd. At 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search KAT, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, welcome to KaratDAO, Crypto Native Growth Engine. KaratDAO is a revolutionary crypto native engine in Web3 that offers a bilateral data service marketplace to help users take control of their Web2 and Web3 data while earning rewards. With its decentralized data identity protocol, the KARAT network, users can own, control, and manage their data while enjoying the benefits of a permissionless and secure data trading platform. Our mission is to revolutionize and simplify how both projects and individuals are utilized in a vast network of on-chain data. So if you go to their document section, docs.karatdao.com, you can find a quick start guide to the KARAT network, KARAT form, wallet dashboard, and airdrop launchpad. So it says KaratDAO's targets users are diverse, including Web3 projects, innovative Web3 adventurers, and individuals looking to manage their digital identity and data securely. We offer a range of services to help these users solve their pain points, such as collecting and managing wallet addresses for events, accessing insightful data in the wallet dashboard, and launching tokens or NFT airdrops. So with its decentralized data identity protocol, KARAT network users can own, control, and manage their data. Our vision is centered around empowering users to take control of their digital identity and data, providing a secure and decentralized platform for data trading, and encouraging the development of dApps on top of the decentralized data identity protocol. The ecology of 4 products offered by KaratDAO is interrelated and complementary. KARAT network as the core product provides the foundation for the other products by enabling users to create and manage their digital identity. KARAT Form collects and manages wallet addresses, providing users with wallet analytics, user groups management, and follow-on campaigns. The wallet dashboard allows users to access insightful data about wallets and meet their requirements. The airdrop launchpad enables users to launch token or NFT airdrops to their community and potential audiences. The value of KaratDAO lies in its ability to provide a comprehensive and decentralized platform for managing digital assets, namely identity and data. By offering a range of interconnected products built on a decentralized data identity protocol. KaratDAO creates a seamless user experience that enables users to take control of their digital identity while enjoying the benefits of a permissionless and secure data trading platform. So they do have a roadmap. It says, Karat Odyssey Journey is an exciting adventure in which we share the idea of our decentralized network. We find the true believers and dedicated contributors to the Karat network. We make entries for people to contribute to the network early. So they're starting with the validator testnet, public tests on swaps with limited supply, and that was in June. And then it says major exchanges listing. So that's probably where we're at right now. There's not much to their roadmap there. Now, if you skip down to the Karat network documentation, there is an insane amount of overview and everything on there. Now, there is staking, it looks like. You can stake the token. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. At KaratDAO, it says the data access control middleware, which leverages on-chain MPC and ZK technologies to create a shareable Web 2 and 3 multi-chain ID. And then it has a link to KaratDAO.com. Real easy to find. And there's a Discord group you can join. They almost have 200,000 Twitter followers. So this is a very well-established project, obviously. Blue verified checkmark. The largest data network on ZKSYNC. I'm going to leave that Twitter up there so you guys can easily find that. They have a Telegram link, though, that only has 100 subscribers. So that's a little strange. Almost 200,000 Twitter followers, and then their Telegram has 100,000 subscribers. That's a little weird. So this token is on the ZKSYNC blockchain, obviously. They have a total supply of 2 billion tokens. Their Explorer here. It says only 269 transactions. That's a little weird too as well. Karat leverages on-chain MPC and ZK technologies to create a shareable Web 2 and Web 3 ID data layer. Karat encrypts users' data such as email and Twitter, links to it in users' wallets, and stores it on IPFS. Users and nodes are given the MPC private key, allowing them to completely decentralize control over all data access permissions. The infrastructure is intended to be the infrastructure of all future dApps that require Web3 social data indexing, advertising delivery, and login permission calls. So their white paper is pretty extensive if you want to go over that. That's linked on their webpage there. Their webpage, KaratDAO.com. It has sections here about their network, their products, documents, blog articles, campaigns. You can connect your wallet. You can enter the dApp. And it says mainnet token launched. If you participated in the IDO, you can claim your tokens. And they have that linked at the top of their page. But anyways, go check this out. This token just got listed on MEXC Global today. So check out the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.